What happened? Just tell me.
I don't know exactly what happened because I just went into my house and I heard a massive bang. And I came running out because I heard one lady crying out for help. And when I saw her, the crowd had already come. She was bleeding on the floor, two ladies on a bike, and one boy on my doorstep lying with his leg cut and bleeding. And by the time the people, the police officers and everyone came, the ambulance took quite some time to come back. I heard they were in Mapsa. And we requested one neighbor, good neighbor of ours by the name of Kishore, who is just down 2 doors away, to gently lift the ladies and take them to the hospital because it would be faster, because she was crying out for help. And I would request people in villages like Aldana, please be very careful because you all are riding bikes, 4-4, overtaking buses, trucks. The trucks are coming during school times, construction, ditch diggers, or cats, they call them cats. They are coming during school timings. Please, NLAs, please look into this matter of speeding in the nights, all this nonsense going on. We need a traffic control here. Thank you so much.
Your name?
Thank you for the Herald. My name is Sarita Gomes. I live next door to the accident, on the spot where the accident is. We do need a traffic control. We need regulations here. And we need a lot of concentration on the old people and school children because these are village lanes. They are not highways where they can speed. And just 2 days ago, there's a boy, like someone just related, he's taken out his silencers and he's making a racket on Chota Diwali, going late in the night, up and down unnecessarily making a noise. I would like a elected representative for the panchayat also to look into the matter.
अळदोण्या मार्केट साईड हा पळय मार्केटा कडल्यान ते बँके कडल्यान ते फुडें मार्केटा कडल्यान अळदोणा खुर्ज्या वयता आसतना ते रस्तो अशीर असल्या कारणान थंयसर सदांच एक्सिडंट जाता. आतां पासून एक एक्सिडंट जालो आनी 2 स्कुटरी मेळून एक्सिडंट जालो. तिगा जाणां इंजर्ड जाली. तांकां डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान व्हेले. पूण थंय एक्सिडंट जावपाचें मेनली कारण म्हणजे रस्तो तो अशीर असल्या कारणान थंय चडशे एक्सिडंट जाता. थळावे लोक हा त्यांची मागणी आहा की तो रस्तो अशीर आहा पळय तो रुंद करचो. मेनली म्हणजे कशें जाता, जे म्हापशाच्यान बिचोले साखळे सायडीक ज्यो गाडयो वयतात आनी मेनली म्हणजे व्हडले ट्रक, लॉरी बिरी ज्यो आहात त्यो अस्नोडच्यान वयता आसतना तांकां खूब लाँग पडटा म्हणून आनी शॉर्टकट म्हणून ते थंयच्यान खोर्जुवेच्या पुलांच्यान ते बिचोले वयतात आनी ताका लागून ट्राफीक जाम जावन थंय एक्सिडंट बीन चड जातात. देखीक स्कुलां बीन आसा आनी प्रॉब्लेम जातात. त्या थळाव्या लोकांच्यो मागणी आहा की थंयसर ट्राफीक कोण तरी पुलीस दवरचो, नाजाल्यार तो रस्तो तरी रुंद करचो म्हणून आनी प्रश्न सोडोवचो. प्रुडंटा खातीर हांव श्यामसुंदर फडते हॉटेलच्यान.